Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to use focus feature on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type settings. Then open settings. Now go to system and click on focus. As you can see here, click on focus. Now as you can see here the timer, you can set a timer for your focus session. Simply enter the duration you want to stay focused, and you can see here the check boxes show the timer in the clock app. You can also hide badges in the taskbar apps, and you can integrate Spotify or Microsoft to do for better workflow. And you can also enable the do not disturb to mute the notifications, and after clicking all the check bars you can start the focus session by clicking on this, as you can see here on the top right. And that's how you use focus on Windows 11. Now you can work without distractions and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.